Roasted ribs with an easy and delicious recipe and the best marinade. There you go. Look, I guarantee you, they'll turn out spectacular and the meat will be super tender. Let's start with the magic. We need the jar of a blender. This is where the essence will be created. We'll start with 2 cloves of garlic. Peel them and add them to the jar. Make sure they're well peeled. We're also going to add sweet paprika, 2 teaspoons. And black pepper, another 2 teaspoons. Here I go. Fantastic touch of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon. Since I like it a lot, well, I put in 2. It's fine. I love parsley. There we go. Now we keep adding, in this case, dried thyme, 1 teaspoon. And now let's move on to liquids. I love it. White wine, half a cup. Don't drink it. It's for the mixture. And a 1/4 cup of whiskey. You can smell it, but don't drink it. We add both ingredients. In they go. And I'll give you an extra tip. If the whiskey is one of those dark ones with woody notes, the mix turns out even better. By the way, what do you call it? At my place, we call this a concoction. There it is. You know, tell me in the comments because I read them all. We add oil. In this case, mild olive oil. A 1/4 cup. Got it? Then a teaspoon. A teaspoon of salt, so it has some bite. And a blender to mix everything into a sort of cream, much more liquid, similar to a chimichurri. Chimichurri or chimichurri, or well, the stuff you put on grilled meat, man. It shares a lot of ingredients, but it's not the same, because among other things, it doesn't have chili pepper. If you know the recipe, let me know in the comments too. Let's go with the meat. Pork ribs, 2 kilos. I'm gonna use this tray from IKEA that got damaged, and I hardly use it. And I can't find another one like it. If anyone knows where to buy it, let me know in the comments too. Now we pour our fantastic mixture over it. Look at that color. That red color comes from the paprika. It's wonderful, and it's hard to match it with anything else. Got it? Now let's cover it with plastic wrap. And we're gonna put it in the fridge, the refrigerator, for at least 4 hours, so it starts to take effect. If you leave it for 12 hours, even better. Pay attention to the marinating process, because the longer the meat marinates, the stronger its flavor will be. So you have to adjust it to your taste. There are even people who leave it in the fridge for 2 or 3 days, as long as it doesn't spoil. After the time has passed, remove the plastic wrap and let it rest while you preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 357 Fahrenheit. See? Is it ready? Then put it in the oven for 60 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. During roasting, it's recommended to take it out, turn it over, and baste it with its own juices. More than recommended, I'd say it's essential, because that way the meat will be much juicier. Put it back in and you're done. And look how amazing it looks. Incredible. Dinner served. Here are your roasted ribs. In the oven with an easy recipe, super tasty, and with that homemade marinade trick. You have to make it. You're going to love it.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno d'intorno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto ad un giro.